Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Instagram Threads app, how to use Threads for business. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to download the Threads app. So, if we are using an Android, then we are just going to open our Play Store and we are going to go ahead to our search box and type in Threads. So, we're going to choose Threads, an Instagram app. So just install this app. And if you are using an iPhone, and then you're gonna go ahead to your app store and the same thing, just type in Threads and install the app. Once we're in, we have to remember that Threads is powered by Instagram. So Instagram and Threads are linked with each other. So whatever information or data you have on your Instagram will automatically be reflected on Threads. So we are going to go ahead and go to our Instagram account. That's the first way that we can log in into our Threads. So just open the Instagram app and log in into your account. So we're just going to go to our profile, and at the upper right hand corner of our interface we can see the three lines icon there. So we're just going to click on that, and if your Instagram app is updated, then you can see the Threads icon just below the settings and privacy. So we're just going to click on that, and we are going to click get Threads, and we will be led into our Threads account. So if ever you're not yet logged in Threads, then you're just going to click on login with Instagram. Another way that you can do that is on our Instagram account, you can see in our profile picture, just below it, you can see that there is a number, right? That is your number on Threads. So if you click on that, it will automatically view Threads profile, or you can hide the badge. So we are going to view Threads profile, and there is our profile. There is our feed on Threads. So those are the easy ways on how you're going to log in or to sign up on Threads. It's very easy, again, because it is powered by Instagram. So what should you post about on Threads? Threads is a brand new app, so there are a lot of unknowns in regards to how it will be used. Our first impression is that it is a casual and quick way to share content, start authentic conversations, and get your name out there. Since there aren't any paid ads on the platform, any reviews or posts about your business will feel very genuine. According to Adam Mosseri, the head of Instagram, content should be focused on starting conversations and making connections. As you can see here in our homepage, it is basically a text conversation. So we are going to start with conversation for us to be able to promote our business in this app. So here are some ways on how we are going to create content for Threads. So you can cross promote your posts between Threads and Instagram. So if you can see here in our post, just below the post there are four icons. You can see the heart react button, the comment button, the repost button, and the send button. Now, how are we going to cross promote our posts? So if we are going to click on the send button here, we can add story to our Instagram or to our Facebook story. So as you can see there, this post from another creator, we can share it into our story on Instagram. So we're just going to go back to our Threads app. We can also tweet this to our Twitter. So we're just going to click tweet, and it's going to prompt us into the Twitter app. And as you can see, there's a link attached. So it's going to lead them into the Threads app. So you're just going to click tweet, and then it's going to be posted. At the bottom of our interface, you can see 5 tabs there. The first one is the home button, and then the search button. So in the search button, this is where you can search the people that you want to follow. And the middle button, this is where you can add a new thread. So we are just going to go ahead and add a thread. So again, we have to keep in mind that we are going to have a conversation. So let's say we're gonna go ahead and type in demo. So in the clip button there, the attachment button, so if we are going to click on that, we will be able to add images and videos that we want to attach. So it really depends with you as to what image or video you want to attach here. Since I want to promote my business, then I'm gonna go ahead and attach the profile picture of my business, which is of course, which has the name of my business. And we are just going to click post. You can also introduce yourself and why you started your business. So after posting this, you can go ahead and just click a new thread, and then you can write something here. So again, so in writing a new thread, you will be limited into 500 words, so you can say a lot of things here. And you can also add a video introducing yourself, and again, why you started your business. So just try to introduce yourself and your business on this app. Another thing is we can repost content that relates to our business. So say for example, we want to repost this one. So we're just gonna click on the repost icon, and we can repost it directly, or we can quote something. So just to engage a conversation, we're just going to quote. So let's say for example, we're just gonna put a quote, be the best, and then we can click on post here, and there you go. You can also share memes relevant to your business. So, say for example, this one, when I'm giving advice and I start to feel advised by my own advice. So, you can also repost that one. So, again, anything memes that are relevant to, again, our business. You can also use the at symbol to mention other businesses and ask them to return the favor. Say, for example, you're going to add a new thread. So, we're going to use the at symbol, and we're going to type clothing. Since our business is about clothing, then we are going to click, say for example, apartment and clothing. Then we can mention this user, and we can ask them to return the favor as well. So we are helping each other in a way. So just click post, and then we can also search for Ripple to find other small businesses and build our community. So we're just going to click follow. And if we are going to view the Ripple feed, so you can repost the memes that they have here just to boost your business. It's going to be a very great help for you. So again, we can post a text conversation of up to 500 characters, 10 images and photos, and a 5-minute video. We can also add links, carousels, and GIFs. What are the things that we can post on threads? So we can post hashtags, there is no direct messages, there's no ads, and there is no pinned posts. So that's it. That's how you can use threads for business. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.